One really simple way to add map data to your photographs is to create saved locations. This is good if you have a lot of photographs that are maybe spread out a little bit or in different folders and they're all from the same location. Or maybe it's a place that you visit regularly and you want to embed that data into it without actually having to photograph with a GPS-enabled camera. I've already done a search for Venice, Italy, so I'm just going to zoom into this location so it's pretty much the only thing in my view. Now, over in the saved locations on the left, I'm going to click on that plus icon, and it gives me the option to change the name, so I will go ahead and just give it a very simple Venice, Italy name. I'll keep it in that same folder, and I'm going to increase the radius just a little bit. That's good, so I'll go ahead and click Create. Now I can select some photos in the timeline. Go ahead and select all of the rest of these images and hold that Shift key to highlight them all. Then when they're all selected, I'll go ahead and drag and drop those images over that saved location. Now all of these images are associated with Venice. And I can go back into my other folders or collections and do the same.